Hey guys, this is everything I picked up at CVS. Everything was completely free and an $8.70 money maker. In the video, I did not go over the Revlon and Maybelline deal. Maybelline is buy two, I believe, get $5 or $7, and Revlon and Almay is spend $25, get a $10 extra care back. So I combined everything together. I had a 7 off of 35 CRT. I used a paper coupon on this, the digital glitched. I used 2 paper coupons on the Revlon, nothing for the Maybelline, just a $1 digital. And I paid, I think, $8 because I had a few CRTs and I got $10 back. So that was completely free. And I'll get a $3 beauty buck, making it free, and a $5 moneymaker. So, all right. Yeah, let's jump into the video, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you enjoy the video. Now the music is super loud, so I'm going to try to record in between the songs, which takes me forever and a day to do. So hang tight and I'll see what deals we can pick up, okay? Okay guys, so I am picking up 2 of the Colgate at $3.49. That's gonna be $6.98. I'm gonna use 2 of these expired $1 coupons. I have a 2 off of 5 CRT. I'm gonna pay $2.98, getting $4 back, making it free, and a $1.02 moneymaker, because when you buy 1, you get a $2 extra care back. Soft soap is $3.99 for 1, and when you purchase 2, you get a $3 extra care back. I'm picking up 2, that's $7.98. I have a $1 digital coupon and 3 off of 2 CRT. I'm gonna pay $3, get $3 back, making it just 98 cents for both. Okay guys, so this is my Covergirl deal. I have 1 of the blush at $7.29 and 1 of the eyebrow pencils that's $8.29. So for both it's $15.58. I'm gonna use the $3 paper coupon on the blush and a $3 paper coupon on the eyebrow pencil. I also have a 3 off of 15 Covergirl. I'm gonna pay $6.58, getting $7 back, making it free, and a 42-cent moneymaker. So I'm doing the You Buy Kotex deal. It's buy 1 get 1 50% off, and when you spend $15 you get a $5 extra care back. I'm picking up 1 of the teen pads at $8.79, 2 of the liners. 1 will be $4.79, the other will be $2.39. I'm gonna use 3 of these $2 coupons and a 5 off of 15 You Buy Kotex. I'm gonna pay $4.97 and get $5 back, making them all free. Okay, so Hallmark is buy 3, get a $3 extra care buck. I'm picking up 6 of these bags at 49 cents. That's $2.94. I have a 3 off of 6 Hallmark CRT. I'm going to get $3 back, making them all free, and a $3 moneymaker. Okay, so originally I had these 2 Schick here. The Schick deal is $8.99 for 1. When you purchase 2, you get a $5 extra care back. I'm picking up 2 at $8.99. I ended up picking up 2 of the Intuition. So 2 at $8.99, that's $17.98. 2 $4 coupons, pay $9.98, get $5 back, making it $4.98 for both. Now, I combined this deal with the other Schick deal. The disposable razors, they are $5.99. When you spend $15, you get a $5 extra care back. I picked up 3 at $5.99. I used 3 of the $4 off coupons, paying $5.97, get $5 back, making the final cost just 97 cents for 3. Now, I combined both deals together. So for everything together, it's $35.95. I had a 5 off of 30 shave CRT. I used 3 of the $3 coupons. Well, I used 2 and 1 printable, as well as 2 of the $4 coupons for the other Schick that I showed previously. I paid $10.95 and I got $10 back, making the final cost for all 5 of the razors just 95 cents, okay? Okay, guys, the Clairol was $7.99. I had two CRTs, 4 off of 3 and 4 off of 2. I picked up 3 at $7.99. I used a $6 paper coupon from coupons.com and off of 2 and a $3 off of 1. So the $6 digital glitched and came off as well. Everything came off, making my final cost for 3 just 97 cents. And this is that receipt right here. So everything came off, making it just 97 cents. Okay, so the Ensure deal, I picked up 4 of the Ensure at $8.99 at my store. Your store, it might be $7.99 and it will be completely free. So 4 at $8.99, that's $35.96. I used 2 of the 5 off of 2 manufacturer coupons. I had a 5 off of 25 protein CRT and a 7 off of 3 Ensure CRT. I paid $13.96. I got $10 back, making them just $3.96 for all 4. Okay, so my spend on my second card, it's my spend 45, get 15. I picked up 3 of the pull-ups, 2 of the Degree Women, and 2 of the Degree Men. It's buy one, get one 50% off, and the pull-ups are $9.99. So for everything here was $50.94. I used 2 digital coupons for $3 off of 1 for the pull-ups. I used a paper $2 off of 1 for the pull-ups. I used a 4 off of 2 for the Degree, only 1, and I handed over 2. 1 got kicked out. The manager override 1, and I'll give you the story. So I used my $3 off digital women glitched, the $125 men glitch, and the $3 off men glitch. So I ended up paying $27.69. I got $15 back. I got $9 back on Ibotta because 2 rebates are attaching to the nighttime pull-ups. So a $2 rebate and a $1 rebate. So I got back $3 for each pack, making the final cost of everything just $3.69. And I didn't get the rebate for the Degree on my other card. I only got it on one of my cards, which I did that on Sunday. So yeah, I think that's everything I picked up. This was on clearance, and there's a $2.50 off coupon, making it just a few cents. And I needed to throw this in because I used a 10 off of 70 coupon for my spend 45. Okay, so the Pantene and Head and Shoulders deal, it's spend 15, get $5 back, I believe. I picked up 3 of the Pantene at $12 and 2 of the Head and Shoulders at 2 for $12. So that's $24. I used a 4 off of 3 Pantene manufacturers coupon, as well as a 3 off of 2 Head and Shoulders coupon. The digital glitched for the Pantene and for the Head and Shoulders, taking off an extra $7. So I had a 4 off of 18 hair care CRT and a 3 off of 3 hair care, nail care, something like that. So I paid $3 and I got $5 back, making them all free and a $2 moneymaker. Okay, so the Dove Men Care body wash, I had a $3 CRT for any Dove body wash. I used a $2 coupon from the Unilever. So it's $7.99 minus $5. I paid $2.99 for this one. The Johnson & Johnson, it's $5.39, I believe. Buy one, get one 50% off. So for both, it's $8.08. I had a $2 off any baby care body wash. And I used 2 of the $2 expired coupons. I paid $2.08 for both, or $1.04 each. And I believe that is everything I picked up. Yeah. Okay, guys, so this is everything I picked up. Everything here was completely free and a $8.70 money maker. I am so sorry the video is so late. I have been at work. Work is kicking my behind, and I am training someone, so I'm getting off work late. I'm sleeping late. I have to get up and get ready to go to work the next day. I'm super tired. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.